Good morning, Facebook. So eventually I'll upload this one on my YouTube if I think about it. So welcome to this video that I'm doing. Interesting enough. Yeah, live in the rain. Okay. So Facebook live in the rain. But technically I'm on my front porch. I have a back porch, but there's no cover on the back porch. You know. Oh, whoa! Y'all hear that? All it is today is heavy rain. That's all it is. You know. Well, well, raining hard as I don't know what. Well, see it on the news. It was some developing in the Gulf of Mexico. You know. Well, I love rainy days to be honest with y'all, but not in the winter time. Sometimes I love it in the spring. Sometimes I don't like it in the spring. You know. Dominoes Seven, the weatherman. You know. I'm the weatherman of this house. You heard me? I got it good. Yep. All right. Eventually, this gonna go on YouTube. You know. About to stop this live taping. Okay.